Okay, what we're going to do here is show you how to transfer the ownership of a user to another user. So for this, we're going to need to go into Setup. So from the home page, click on the gear icon and open up Setup in a new tab. Once that's opened up, in the quick find box, we'll go to Mass Transfer, and then underneath Data, we'll see the Mass Transfer of Records. So that's what we need to click on. Now, if you are actually transferring the ownership, the entire ownership of one user to another, you might need to do a few different ones of these. So what I'll do is I'll show us an example with transfer leads to transfer all of the leads from one user to another. That's what we will do. So I will search for the user that I want for this and then click on the little magnifying glass. That'll bring up the users. So for this I want Michael Jones, and I want to transfer that all over to John Smith. So if you do have only particular leads that you wanted to do, you could obviously put a bit of different criteria in here. As we are transferring the entire usership, that's all we'll need. So then we'll click find. That'll bring up all of the different leads they have. If you want to do them all, click on there. This guy's only got one. And once that's selected, you just click transfer, and it's as simple as that. The lead has now been transferred from one user to the other. Now, like I say, if you wanted to do the whole ownership, then you would come back and go through all of these as you see fit.